Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious diabetic recipes for type 2 diabetes. If you or a loved one are managing diabetes and looking for some healthy and tasty meal ideas, you're in the right place. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button below to show your support. Let's get started. Now, I know managing type 2 diabetes can be challenging, but it doesn't mean you have to compromise on taste. We've handpicked 3 incredible recipes that are not only diabetic-friendly, but also bursting with flavor. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these. Recipe 1. Grilled lemon herb salmon. Our first recipe is a grilled lemon herb salmon. Not only is salmon a great source of lean protein, but it's also packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Let's get cooking. And voila! Our grilled lemon herb salmon is ready to enjoy. It's a mouth-watering dish that's both nutritious and diabetes-friendly. Remember, folks, it's all about making smart ingredient choices and using flavorful herbs and spices to enhance the taste without adding extra salt or sugar. Now let's move on to our second recipe, spicy turkey lettuce wraps. Recipe 2, spicy turkey lettuce wraps. These lettuce wraps are a perfect combination of crunch, spice, and lean protein. They're also low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making them a fantastic option for managing blood sugar levels. Let's get started. And there you have it, our spicy turkey lettuce wraps. These wraps are not only delicious, but also a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. Feel free to customize them with your favorite toppings and enjoy guilt-free. Last, but certainly not least, we have a refreshing and fruity dessert, berry chia seed pudding. Recipe 3. Berry chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are a superfood packed with fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They're also great for stabilizing blood sugar levels. This berry chia seed pudding is a fantastic way to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health goals. Let's blend it up. And just like that, we have a delectable berry chia seed pudding. It's creamy, full of nutrients, and bursting with berry goodness. Feel free to experiment with different fruit combinations and enjoy this guilt-free dessert. That wraps up our diabetic recipes for type 2 diabetes. Remember, folks, managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on tasty food. With a little creativity and smart ingredient choices, you can enjoy a wide variety of delicious meals that support your health goals. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up button. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or recipe requests in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.